Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Let's Speak in English. Today we're going to describe what is the difference between in and into. The first one we have here now in we use for static position. Anything does not have any movement, we use in word there. In used when something is already inside a place or an object, it does not show movement. For example, the books are in the bag. Books in the bag and does not have any movement. They are in static position. Another example here, she is in the room. And one more example here, the ice is in the glass. Ice already is in the glass and does not have any movement. Thus describe about static position. Unless we describe about way we can use into in a sentence. We can use into to describe movement or direction. Into used when something moves from outside to inside, it shows motion or direction. For example, he walked into the room. So this describes the movement. The cat jumped into the box. This describes the cat jumped from outside to inside in the box. And this describes the movement of the cat. And next example here, she poured the juice into the glass. This is also an example of movement. Let's we further clarify in and into by this table. In we use when does not have any movement. An example here, the keys are in my pocket. And into we use when object have any movement. This movement from outside. For example, she put the keys into her bag. And in we also use for describing about location or position. For example, he is in the park. And into we use to describe about action of entering, and this describe about the movement or direction. For example, he walked into the park. Let's we further describe in and into by this example. The sugar is in the box. In here describe about the static position of the sugar in the box. So there is no movement of sugar, therefore we use here in. And next example here, the frog fell into the river. So here describe the movement of the frog from outside to inside the river. So here is movement, and for movement we use into. And next one here, the ice is in the tray. So in again here is static position describe about the ice. So we use in here because ice does not have movement and ice is in the tray in a static position. And next one, the man jumped into the pool. Here into because man have movement and he jumped into the pool. And next one, she is entering into the room because she have movement and she coming from outside to inside, therefore we use into here. Hopefully you understand about in and into. We can use in for static position and into for on a movement or direction. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Give us a like and subscribe the channel as well.